Attention homeowners, save money, save energy, upgrade your home. Call Semper Solaris today for your free estimate. Local and veteran owned, bringing honesty, integrity, and reliability to every job. Solar panels, battery storage, roofing, HVAC, Semper Solaris does it all. Solar panels to cut your electric bills, battery storage to avoid... Need a new roof? We're Owens Corning Platinum certified with a 50-year warranty. Is your home getting hot? Upgrade your HVAC system with a lifetime warranty and enjoy lower energy bills. Award-winning and committed to serving you with excellence. Join thousands of satisfied customers who trust Semper Solaris. Visit SemperSolaris.com or call now. Save money, save energy. Trust the experts. Semper Solaris, your trusted energy solutions partner. Take the first step towards a more energy-efficient home. Call Semper Solaris today for your free estimate and start saving.